Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Diana Ross Pirocho, 30 years old, live in Barangay Binunan, Batad, Iloilo. I am married with one daughter. I graduated at Northern Iloilo Polytechnic State College, Batad Campus, and Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management. My body weight is 62 kg and my body height is 152 centimeter. I've been working in Hong Kong for 4 years in one employer. I serve one couple, newborn and 7 years old. My main duties is to take care of the newborn baby, changing the clothes and diaper, preparing meals, and keep them safe and clean. I also do cooking, cleaning, marketing, and washing. I consider myself as trustworthy, hardworking, kind, and patient. Good day, ma'am and sir. If you hire me, I promise to follow the rules and regulations in your house. I promise to love your family as my own family, especially your children. Thank you.